So we have covered the set in collection framework in last video. We have seen the what are the features available in the set interface, what is the particular contract given by the set interface, right? So we have seen where and in what situation we should use the set, when we should go for the set, that we have covered in last video. So the next one is hash set. So before going into hash set, I want to show you the what is the hierarchy for the set interface. Like in list, we have seen what are the implemented classes of list, like array list, linked list, vector, stack. That is the hierarchy of the list. Now similarly, I want to show you the hierarchy for the set interface. Okay, so just open the Eclipse. If you want to see the hierarchy, just open Eclipse and open the class, that is set.class, that is internal implementation class of the set, that is the source code for the set. If you are not aware how to open this internal source file, just create one class file and just add set, which is from set, and now just open the internal source code for the set class. So here, once you open the set dot class, that is the source file for the set interface, right click on this set and open the type hierarchy. So once you open the type hierarchy, you will get the all the interfaces which are extending this particular interface, or you will get the list of the classes which are implementing the set interface. So here you can find the set, which is the child interface from the collection interface, right? The set, now here you can find these are the classes which are implementing the set interface. Apart from these classes, there are several interfaces which are extending this set interface, means these are the some of the child interface of the set interface. Now apart amongst these all classes, we are going to cover the main implementation classes, that is hash set, first one, then linked hash set, and the another child interface, that is sorted set. Once you extend the sorted set, here you can find another child interface for the sorted one, that is navigable set, and inside navigable set there is a tree set. So we are going to cover all these interfaces and classes of the set interface, that is hash set, linked hash set, then the interface called as sorted set, navigable set, and the implementation class, that is tree set. So that are the most important implementation classes of the set that we use in a frequently used in a Java programming. So we will cover these all. So let's understand when it's come. Okay, the set is come in 1.2 version. Okay, now the implementation first implementation class, that is hash set, which came in 1.2 version only. The next one is linked hash set. So linked hash set come in 1.4 version, 1.4 version. Okay, the next one is the child interface, that is sorted set. So here you can find it is a interface and it came in 1.0 version, that is it's a legacy class. So whatever the classes and interfaces from 1.0 version, that we called as a legacy classes, that is the legacy class from the legacy interface from the 1.0. The next one is the child interface of this sorted set is navigable set. The navigable set is came in 1.6 version. Okay, and after that the implementation class, which is tree set, which came in 1.2 version. So this is the hierarchy for the set interface. So let me give some overview about the sorted and navigable set. The sorted set, which has some methods which are going to use for the sorting purpose, which has given some contract for the sorting purpose, that is it has some methods called as head set, tail set like that. Then navigable set, the navigable set gives us the features to navigate in both the direction set, forward direction as well as in the backward direction. And these are the some of the features related to sorted set and navigable set. We will cover one by one all these implemented classes and all this child interface with the practical implementation.